If you need to hide a face, personal information, or any sensitive detail in an image, GIMP gives you a fast and free way to do it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to blur or pixelize sensitive areas in GIMP so you can protect privacy before sharing your image online. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting your photo. Once your image is open, look at the toolbox on the left side of the screen. The first thing you need to do is isolate the area you want to hide because GIMP only applies blur or pixel effects to the selected section. For faces, logos, text, or small private details, you can use either the Rectangle Select tool or the Ellipse Select tool. If the area is more square or rectangular, use the Rectangle tool. If it's more rounded, like a face, the Ellipse tool usually works better. You can also use the shortcut R to quickly access the Selection tool. Click and drag around the sensitive area until it is tightly selected. Try to keep the selection as close to the edges as possible so the effect looks clean and professional. If you need to select more than one area at once, hold down the Shift key while making your next selection. This is useful if you want to blur multiple faces or cover several pieces of private information in the same image without starting over each time. Take a moment here to make sure the correct area is selected before moving on. Now that your sensitive area is selected, it's time to apply the censor effect. There are two common options in GIMP, Gaussian blur and Pixelize. If you want a soft, smooth blur, you can use Gaussian blur. But if you want a more obvious censored look, the Pixelize effect is the better choice. In this video, we're focusing on Pixelize because it's a classic way to hide details quickly and clearly. To apply it, go to the top menu and click Filters, then Blur, then Pixelize. A settings window will appear with options like block width and block height. These settings control how large the pixel blocks will be. The larger the block size, the stronger the censor effect will look. If you want the face or detail to be completely unreadable, increase the block size until the image is properly obscured. Once you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply the effect. GIMP will instantly pixelize the selected area, making the face or sensitive detail much harder to recognize. If the result is too light, you can undo it and go back to adjust the block size again. If it looks good, then you're done with the main editing step. At this point, it's a good idea to zoom out and review the image carefully. Make sure the sensitive detail is fully covered and that there are no visible edges or uncovered parts left behind. Sometimes you may need to slightly expand the selection or reapply the effect to make the censoring look cleaner. The goal is to make the hidden area impossible to identify at a glance. If you're editing images for social media, tutorials, screenshots, or client work, this technique can save you a lot of time. It's simple, free, and very effective for keeping private information protected before you publish or share the image. And that's how to blur faces or sensitive details in GIMP using the Pixelize effect. If you want, you can also try Gaussian blur for a softer look. But Pixelize is great when you want a clear censored style. If this walkthrough helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.